Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading OTC stocks. Okay, so I'm going to be utilizing one indicator here. So if you click on the indicator button, it's called the OsMA indicator or Oscillator of Moving Average indicator. So when you click on the button, this histogram shows up. And if you go to the indicator settings here of the OsMA, we're going to maintain the default settings. Default settings are fast EMA period 12, slow EMA period 26, and signal SMA period 9. And for my candlestick charts, I'm going to be utilizing 1 minute candles, 1 minute regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I'm going to be setting it to M1 or 1 minute trades, 60-second trades. So I'm looking at 60-second candles while taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the advanced micro devices, and as you see here, there's a strong bearish candle. So I just took a down trade, a put trade or a sell trade. And the reason I took the trade is because if you look at the histogram line here, the OsMA histogram, it was very close to the zero line. I noticed this strong red bearish candle suggesting that maybe there's a bearish reversal happening here. And just as that goes on, the histogram candle goes below the zero line. Okay, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Also, the idea is that the candle has to close red. You want to take the trade in the direction of the candle. So this is a bearish candle here. So I went ahead and took a bearish trade here. Okay, so we won that trade. And as you see, the crossover of the histogram from the above the zero line to below the zero line. Okay, so let's pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on American Express OTC. The histogram line is right at the zero line. And if this candle closes in green, I will take a buy trade. Okay, so I just took the buy trade right there. And the reason why I took the buy trade is I waited for the histogram. If you notice here, the histogram line is crossing over the zero line. And as the histogram is crossing, we're seeing a bullish momentum developing. And I was anticipating that the histogram line would cross over the zero line. And so I took the buy trade. All right, so let's monitor this trade. We got about 15 seconds. Okay, we won that trade. So the idea is that we're looking for the histogram to go from under the zero line to above the zero line with some green momentum candles, green bullish candles occurring. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on Marathon Digital. So I'm waiting for this candle to close red. And then if you notice, there's the crossover, the histogram from above the zero line to below the zero line. So long as this candle closes in, okay, the candle closed. All right, so I took a sell trade. Okay, the candle has to close in the direction of the trend here, which is a bearish trend. If that candle had closed green, I would not have taken the trade. All right, And so it looks like it's still going downward in the bearish direction here. We see the histogram, the OsMA histogram, crossing from above the zero line to below the zero line. And we're looking at the bearish candle, so let's monitor this trade. Great, so we won that trade. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for one more trade. Okay, so I'm on Cisco OTC right now, and I'm waiting for this candle to close green. We see here of the crossover of the histogram from below the zero line to potentially above the zero line. So as long as this candle closes green, I'm going to take a buy trade. Okay, so I took the buy trade, and we see the crossover of the histogram line from below the zero to above the zero line. So let's monitor this trade. Oh, wow. Okay, so it broke even. It was close, but we didn't win, we didn't lose. So let me pause the video and look for one more setup. Okay, so I just took the trade on ExxonMobil, waited for the crossover of the histogram from above to below the zero line. Strong bearish candle here. So let's watch this trade. Okay, so this trade, okay, we won. So thanks for watching. You like the video, give it a thanks, a thumbs up, and a share. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.